because I am going to go into this garbage bag and pull it out and see how many potatoes I have. Now, I'm gonna go off screen and pull it out onto the tarp and open it up and see what happens. So I'll be back. Okay, this bag is so heavy I had to pull the blue tarp onto the grass, which I didn't want to do, and open the bag. So this is going to be done one-handedly, but we're going to see if I got potatoes in this bag. And you know, they say it could be done. So, okay, let me put you down for a second. Okay, here I continue. Well, I've got the bag open and I'm not looking too happy right now because I'm seeing no potatoes. Let's see. I mean, none. This is not very good. Right? Oh my. No potatoes. No potatoes. No potatoes. No potatoes. There's the thing. And I at one time did see a potato growing on one of my things. Now, the only thing I can think of is, could the critters have gotten, oh, wait a minute, there's a potato. There's one little tiny potato. One tiny, tiny, tiny potato. But otherwise, I've got none. So when they tell me to hill up my potatoes and that they will grow along the stem, that looks like it's not. Ooh, I got worms. There's a worm. Isn't that nice? So I got something from it, right? So here's another small potato. So let's see. Whoops, here's one. But it's from the very bottom of the bag. From the very bottom. Here it is. This is the bottom of the bag. And so it looks as if what they're telling me to do and all this hilling stuff really isn't working. Right, I got, here's the potato end. So lots of growth, but 1, 2, okay, so we won't do this one again. You know, I saw a guy on his YouTube channel say this didn't work. And he's, oops, this is an old potato. In fact, this is an old sweet potato that I planted that I didn't know what I was doing. So I may play with this one. So I'm going to put that right on the side. So you may be able to hill it a little bit, but I'm seeing that this is a no-go for the future. No potatoes. Wow. That's really a disappointment. I was looking forward to having some really nice, big potatoes. Oh well. Well, I've got my sweet potato slip, so I'm going to use this same dirt, let me tell you, to for my sweet potatoes. Here's an old potato that didn't grow. That was probably this other sweet potato I put in there. But nothing. Absolutely nothing. Okay. Well, that is my experiment with my sweet potatoes. I mean, my regular potatoes. So now I'm going to work with some sweet potatoes and see what happens. All right. Take care.